did you chat with Mr. Chang? Are we late or what? What are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, so hello Mr. Chang, how are you doing today?
My dear team members, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. So how's your family doing?
Family is fine, everybody.
Okay, so your family's okay. So what about the production units we ordered last week?
Done with 25 units.
I thought we ordered 75.
Right? I think it was 25 which was ordered. 25, right?
I don't know.
Oh, Mr. Suman, I remember it clearly. It was 75 and 25 buffer. I want 75 units ready within the next 2 days. It's 2 days, and I want results. Or else,
Reward on this. Thank you so much, Chang. How will we be able to do it in 2 days?
I don't know. Mr. Sumit,
Yeah, hi.
I am Ranvir from GEC.
GC? What GC?
You don't know about GEC? It's Government Environment Committee.
What? Government Environment Committee?
What are you talking? Sumit, you are the manager of this company and you don't know about GEC.
No? Okay, Mr. Randy, please sit. Please have a seat.
Yeah, sure.
So tell me, what brings you here today?
Actually, in our recent survey, we have found out that your company is giving out maximum waste products in India, and that waste products are going to the river. And those are very harmful for the inhabitants living here.
What? But we are already using the latest technology what's available in the market.
What is the technology you are talking about? Your company is also giving out radioactive substances as well. What are you thinking about those things?
No, but I guess we are dumping the radioactive waste after pacifying them.
No, Sumit, nothing is happening. I am giving out your final notice. This is notice period is 1 month notice period. You have to do something within this 1 month or else your company will be seized.
Okay, Randy, can we settle it right here?
What are you saying? How dare can you say these things to me? You have to do this within 1 month. You have to take some action regarding this thing. Okay, Mr. Sumit?
Okay, Mr. Randy, please look into it.
Thanks.
Please come into my office right now. We have an urgent meeting. Please come. Call Komal as well. Rush now, fast.
Both orders. Do you know something about it? I don't know. In this one, do you know something? I don't know. Boss, keep orders.
Yeah, please sit, Vikas. Thank you. Yeah, we had a notice issued by GC today.
GEC?
Yeah.
You're very dangerous people, sir. In my last organization, they sent my boss to jail.
Jail?
Yes.
Prison?
Yes, sir. He's still in jail.
Okay, Vikas, so suggest something.
Sir, we have to work in our recycling process. We have to invest something. We have to do more effort in that process.
But we have already invested a lot in this domain.
Sir, but we need some more money.
Money? Like how much?
Around 100 crores.
100 crores. So, Vikas, can you plan it and show it to me?
Yes, sir. I can plan it and show it in 2 days.
Okay. Komal, you also suggest something?
I told you I don't know. What is this? Is this what I deserve?
What happened?
Just look at my appraisal. Did you approve this?
Calm down, Harsh, calm down. Tell me what happened.
Only 10% hike. This I would have got if I hadn't worked at all.
Harsh, you already know we are going through a rough patch. The company is...
Boss, I know everything. The company is making huge revenue and it's all over the internet.
No, our sales are going down day by day. It's all because of lack of sales.
No, it seems you and senior manager are want to take all the profits.
No, it doesn't work like this.
Listen, I am not accepting this. I have many offers already, so you start searching for my replacement. Fine?
Oh, this product line from Chang, the notice period from GC, even Harsh is resigning. Oh God, why did the world end in 2012?